Okay, again, and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today is something very unusual. Today we're going, but delicious always. We're going to make a beef heart. I know someone gonna say, what is that? But it's delicious. We need just 2 ingredients. I need some onions. I like with red and white. You can use which one you like. And a beef heart. You know, it's like this. It's very, very, very nice. Now, the first thing to do is we can do stewing like dice, or you can slice like steak, you know, just to pan fry. When it's like that, or you ask your butcher to clean it, or you can do it yourself. Just follow the video. You can take this fat off like this. Sorry. You can cut in two, and this stuff here inside, you have to cut it, okay? Just they going in the bin, okay? Is this, okay? Some fat you can leave if you like. If you don't like, you can slice like this. You know, and pan fry, and eat like that. Or what we're going to do today is dice it. We're going like this. You can chop it this side here, okay? Okay, I'm going to dice all heart. I'm gonna show you the next step. It's very easy, okay? See you later. Okay, guys, the heart is diced like that. Later, if you like small, you can do small. The pan very hot. We add some very generous amount of olive oil, and we start. We add some onion. Of course, we're gonna add some salt and pepper. This is very simple because we're gonna put the flavor, the onion and the herb. I use just salt, pepper, and a little touch of vinegar. I'm gonna use apple vinegar, and that's it. We start with some salt, some pepper. Yeah. If you like spicy, you can put some spicy inside. And now, in this moment, we're gonna add the herb, the flame little medium. We add the herb. Often we're gonna stir it. Later, if we need more salt and pepper, we check. Now, we need at least for 10 to 15 minutes, leave the lid on, stir it. If you need a little touch of water, you can use, okay? See you later. Okay, guys, it's almost 15 minutes. You're gonna have something like this. Now, in this moment, it's not obligatory, but I recommend you to do that. I add some soy sauce, just like couple teaspoon, and I like couple tablespoon of white vinegar. I need a little bit more. Yeah, maybe 3, okay? And now, guys, leave it. If you need some salt, you can, but I put some soy sauce. It's a little bit salty. And now we leave it to cook very low flame. The smell is very nice. I don't think my partner and my son wife with my little bambino, they're gonna eat it, but I love it. Now we put down flame, and we leave another 30 to 40 minutes. I'm gonna be precise later, but very slow the flame, okay? See you later. Okay, guys, 45 minutes with lid on. Look at this creamy one. It's already 6-7 minutes I turn it off. The smell is delicious. Now I just some color on. It's parsley. You can use parsley or coriander, just like that. Give that the freshness, you know. It's done, guys. The beef heart stew is this. Now we're gonna try it. I love it. Absolutely delicious. Wow, very nice. Guys, the beef part is this. Beautiful. If you like, wow, don't forget always to share this video with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. And the beef part is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.